Hi, it's Stu, and I'm here with four of my favorite things. And the first one I'm going to start with is my dad. Stu, too. So you got two Stus right here. And Father's Day is coming up, and one of the things we want to do is just show you my other three favorite things. This is one of them right here, the big ribeye tomahawk steak. And when we get our ranchers coming back from Kansas and Wyoming, and we ask them, what do you want to eat? This is the cut right here. It's not prime, it's choice. I personally like choice more. I don't like all that marbling and fat in the beef. To me, this is perfect. We sell so many of these every year, direct from the Midwest, which is great. My second favorite thing, if I'm gonna knock people out when they come over, lobsters, okay? We get these lobsters direct from Stonington, Maine right here. Hard-shelled beauties, you know, sweet and nice. My second favorite thing, and third of all, what I love to do, we're going to talk about this fresh corn that's coming in right now. And this tastes so good, you can eat it right here without even salt, pepper, or butter. But let's look at how we're going to cook them. We also have our chef Mike with us today, who's going to help us. But the main thing is, how do you cook a steak? This is about 2 inches thick right here, okay? The rule of thumb is 10 minutes per inch, okay? As a rule of thumb. First thing you want to do, whether you're doing charcoal or a gas grill, get it red hot here. And that's what we did, right, Mike? We're probably like around 500-600 degrees.
This grill is very, very hot right now.
And what you want to do is have a simple marinade on top of that, which is usually salt and pepper. So you got all these steak rubs and stuff. We don't like steak rubs that much. We like to just do the salt, pepper. If you want to get a little fancy, some of our ranchers like to put some garlic on it too. And first thing we do is you want to coat it with some olive oil,
Right, 100% olive oil. Preferably Stu Leonard's olive oil. I love to cook with it. It's a great olive oil.
Rub that right in.
Don't be shy with the oil.
Okay, now let's hit it with some salt.
All right, a little kosher salt. I mean, not a little. You can go pretty heavy-handedly like you see here. Plenty of salt because it's a big
a lot
piece.
with that thickness.
It's a big piece of meat. Black pepper.
Yeah. Try to use fresh instead of out of a jar if you can. It tastes a lot better. Hey, we'll see in about an hour, Mike.
That pepper shaker was giving me a little trouble.
Flip it over.
Gotta do it on both sides.
Olive oil again.
Plenty
Use a nice extra virgin olive oil. Don't go, go great on the olive oil. It's beautiful. Okay.
All right, let's do that pepper again. 1, 2, 3.
You want a lot of pepper and
All right.
now we got the grill red hot right here. So let's go. First thing we're going to do, lay it down.
You want to lay it down in a nice part of the. You want to get the meat pressed onto the grill so you can get some marks on it.
That's
so take your
important.
hand and press down a little bit to make sure that the meat is getting full contact there.
Here's what you can wow your guests with, is that you're going to get some hatch marks on here once this comes over. Then you want to turn it a little more and you get like a double hatch. So we're going to go 5 minutes here on this side. We're going to turn them a little bit, do another 5 minutes, flip them over 5 minutes, and we'll see how it is. We're going to have a meat thermometer. And one of the things, we got about 5 minutes now on that side. We're going to just turn it a little bit to get some cross hatches on the same. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that looks. Aren't that? Perfect. Now we'll just turn it a little bit, right? 10 minutes down. You're going to flip it?
Yep.
We got another 10 minutes. We're going to turn it after 5. Look at that beautiful caramelization that's coming out there. And I love these grill marks. They look great.
Let me crisscross this so we can show that beautifully.
Show them inside. Turn it over.
I just crisped it.
Hey, look how nice that looks now. We're ready. Okay. If you're seeing a lot of flames come up, that could burn this beautiful piece of beef. Okay, so this is, you got an expensive piece of jewelry out here on the grill right now. So one of the things you can do here, if you see some of the grill marks, just take some water just to get that flame down.
This meat has a lot of fat near the bone, so there's a lot of fat that's dripping into the briquettes, so it does cause some flare up, okay?
Hey, one of the things really that's important if you're going to have a beautiful piece of meat like this is to use a thermometer. That's really the best judge. A lot of chefs, right, they like to feel it. If it's tender like that, it's usually...
I prefer a digital, so...
Put it in a thick part of the beef, right? You can see that.
We got 115 degrees, so we're like 10 degrees away from rear. Here we go. Look at that. How's that look? It's a good thing to do to make sure. There's a long bone on the tomahawk steak, so it's a good thing to make sure you got that bone on the grill, so the bone cooks along with the meat. Don't let it hang off the grill.
I have a son-in-law who loves meat. He loves beef. He would like this off the grill right now. He would want it. That would be about a real pink interior, right? So I would take this off the grill for him right now. We cooked it for about 20 minutes. We'd let it rest for 10. And I'd leave this one on for my dad and I, okay? Because we'd like this to get up to about 135 degrees, which will give it, more of a, you said you like it more of a pink. Now what you want to do is tent that now. It's good if you're outside, especially on the grill, it's nice to put something over it, so you could just put some aluminum foil over it. Since that's 20 minutes, 2 inches, we're going to let it rest for 10 minutes and we'll see how it comes out.
It's going to be better than the first one.
Now here's the one that's about 135 degrees right here. Look at a beautiful beef right there. Now, if some of the kids, this is what I do, if some of the kids go, you can always take this and just lay that right back on the grill again. You have some tongs, Bob?
Right here.
And this you could just do from, you want to just flip that? See, look at that. That makes everybody happy. Okay. Here we go. All right. Hey, Dad, how's this look for Father's Day right here, huh? That's our 4 favorite things. My dad, the corn, the lobster, and the ribeye steak right there. Now for the final taste test here. That is a great cut of meat right there. And you can get the grill smokiness from the flame. It's choice too, and it just tastes delicious. There's a lot of juice in here, and I can't see anybody trying to bite on this and not be happy. So there you have it. We got our beautiful ribeye steak right here. We have great grilled corn, a lobster on the grill too, and my dad. What could be better? Hey, y'all have a great Father's Day. Thank you.